What's up, everybody? It's Rashid and Christian here, back with another banger episode of the 4F Entrepreneur Podcast. So, first thing first, just we need to catch up. You know, it's been, I think, like 2 weeks since our last episode. So, how's life been, man?
Man, it's been good. We actually went down to Maverick City Music Concert.
For real?
Yeah, they are a kind of think like neo-gospel, like new gospel slash.
Okay.
They have some hip-hop vibes in there, some R&B.
Oh, snap.
Yeah, they're a Christian group. Mackenzie loves them. We actually share the same Spotify to save money.
Yeah.
And she actually ended up making them our #1 artist.
Oh, for real?
And it's not even her account.
Dang.
So we saw them. That was a blessing. And then, like, we also turned it into a bit of a business trip because we went down to some apartments I was telling you about.
Yeah, so okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so we thought the apartments were just going to need patched, the roads.
Yeah.
Because the parking lot was real messed up.
Yeah.
Turns out the guys were trying to get rid of the apartments because the city told them they were going to shut down all the apartments if they didn't get it fixed. It's going to cost $250,000 to get the road fixed.
$250,000
Because it's eroding under it.
Okay.
So I talked to the city engineer. It took him forever to get on the phone because you know city workers.
Oh, yeah, it's forever.
But he was like, yeah, $250 because of the erosion under the road. So they're going to have to do an entirely new parking lot. So we were going to offer like $550 for 21 units.
Yeah.
Now we're thinking we're going to offer the cost of the parking lot minus the original price, so around $250.
$250, yeah.
Give or take. So yeah, we're going back and forth right now on that. The guys, they can't pay that because they're burnt out landlords. They don't as soon as the city hit them with that.
Oh, they're burnt out landlords.
Yep.
Okay, so that's their situation. Okay, so
Yep. As soon as the city hit them with that, they tried to sell.
they trying to sell like, we gotta get up out of this.
They were trying to screw us.
They were trying to
screw because they were like, yeah, just a patch.
Oh, y'all had to call and figure out. Then y'all was like, oh, so this is $250,000. No, we can't do that. Yeah. And they burnt out landlords. So I mean, they probably, I can see them coming off of that.
Yeah, man. Other than that, just trying to build systems, trying to streamline things.
Yeah. So how's that been going with the streamlining, using assistants and stuff like that?
Yeah, it's been going good. I hired a couple more people.
Okay.
I hired a person specifically for disputing. I hired somebody that's more like a sales and customer service rep.
Okay.
So really trying to scale that.
Okay.
I think the best use of my time is like high level finance. So meeting investors, flipping houses, like not actually going out there and doing the construction, but like finding the flips. You know, if it takes me 10 minutes to make $20K on a flip, right? Because I outsource everything
And
then I'm meeting investors, I'm going to events, kind of just being like the face. That's kind of like where I'm trying to put all my energy and then try to outsource everything else.
So you're trying to like not do so much of the leg work. You're trying to that makes a lot of sense though, because doing that, I feel like you could, I mean, it gives you more time to do the stuff that you actually need. Like the task, like you said, like the higher level finance tasks, you got more time to do stuff. So, that makes a lot of sense.
Absolutely, man. What you been up to though?
Man, just getting it, grinding, running, getting back in shape.
When's your marathon?
We're doing a 10K now.
Okay.
Because we kind of stopped training enough to do a half marathon. So we're going to do a 10K. 10K like 6 miles, I think. But it's next week, actually. Next Saturday, I want to say. So, yeah, I've been doing that, just been getting locked in and everything. And, you know, just been, I ain't gonna lie, dealing with this life thing. I want to tell all you people out here, like, life is tough. Yeah. It's tough. You go through ups and downs like a roller coaster. But, I mean, it gets better. Like, now everything's, like, starting to line up. I'm starting to, you know, really figure out, like, you know, what I want to do, what I want to dial in on. I know I got a lot of talents, guys. This is one of my talents, like social media. That's like, it's always been a thing I love to do. I've been doing this as a kid. I'm really finna just like dial in on that regardless, but I do have a lot of side things I like to do. Like, I always been a person like that. I always been a person that like to try new things, and I just do it. I honestly be good at it too. Like the cutting hair thing, that's going pretty good now. Starting to build clientele up with that. You know, I got business cards now, so like every time I'm doing, sometimes I go to the gym, I hand out a business card. I'm playing basketball. And a business card, so that's kind of like a word of mouth business. I'm working on that. You know, just been doing that for real. Just been locking in, getting the mental straight. Going to therapy. I started that for the first time. It was actually really good. Online. Online.
Was it BetterHelp or what did you use?
Talkspace. Yeah, it's really good. It's ain't no sponsor, but they're really good.
Is it like it's only like $75 or something?
Yeah. Insurance pay for it.
Oh,
you do them through insurance. You don't have to pay nothing now. So it's like.
Yeah, I highly recommend therapy.
Yeah, therapy is good because I think in like your mind, like we all have some bad ways of thinking or doing stuff the wrong way. So it's good to hear someone that's not around you. Because the thing about people around you, sometimes they won't call you out on your stuff. They won't. They're your friend. They're gonna take your side. Or you need somebody else that's like outside the situation to be like, hey, you're wrong in this. This is what you did, and you know, and get you to understand that perspective. So I've been understanding a lot of perspectives on how I act and all that. And like I said, now I'm trying to change. I've been locking into the church bag, and for all these young people out here, go to church, please. Like that's all I ask you. It just levels you out. I've been going every Sunday now.
Awesome. Where you going?
It's Westview. Westview is over. It's in Madison. Yeah.
So how'd you hear about that one?
With Devin.
Sweet.
Yeah. Devin told me about that one.
Awesome.
So yeah, I've been in there a lot. You know, getting into it, man. Just locking in.
Yeah. Is it a good group of young people there?
Yeah, it's a group of young people. Yeah. You know,
some people that you could see yourself hanging out with.
Hanging out with. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like I said, I love being around. It keeps me level because it's like in life it's so easy to go off the deep end. Like you can start hanging around the wrong people, bro. Yeah. Like, cause I mean, sometimes like I'll be hanging out with some like people I work with. Sometimes they always like to drink.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So like just for you being there, you'll sometimes go. Yeah. And I started going into like kickbacks and stuff. And I'm like, man, okay, this ain't it. Yeah. But the thing is, I'll say this as a man, and just honestly, this is everybody. You gotta know. You got to be able to realize when you're doing too much, because a lot of people can't do that. Like they do stuff, but they don't realize they wilding out. Like it's like, okay, I'm going out too much. I need to stop and lock back in. Yeah, that's where I'm at now. Like I always been like that. I always been able to know like when I do too much of one thing, I know it's a bad thing. So yeah, like I said, I'm just trying to get the mental together, man, and do all that. But besides that, life's been really good for me, man. I've been enjoying it. You know, met a lot of great people, got a lot of great like network around me and everything now. So now it's just time to take over. So like my goal for 2025, like I said, I don't do New Year's resolution, guys. I don't know about y'all. It's just you should have been doing it. That's why I tell everybody, it's like, why wait till the New Year? Because December now, I know everybody's gonna start that New Year resolution stuff. But I'm like, with New Year's resolution, you should already be doing it. Like whatever you're trying to do, you just have goals and you set them and you attain them.
Send you my goals while you finish that point.
Yeah, send me your goals, bro, because that's one thing. I'm honestly, since he said that, I'm probably gonna start telling all the homies we're gonna do that. Everybody get their goal, we're gonna send it. We all gonna hold each other accountable for next year because we all got big things planned. I honestly believe that all of us are gonna be millionaires in whatever we do. Like, cause we got the mindset and everything. And y'all do too. Like that's the thing. Like I don't want nobody to feel like as a young person. Well, like so even all people, it don't matter when. It just don't. I'll say this. Just chase y'all dreams. That's the biggest thing I can tell y'all. Chase y'all dreams. Don't let a job stop you from chasing your dreams. Don't let these outside distractions, women, for girls, men, don't let those people stop you, or just people that's hating on you stop you from being on your grind and chasing your goals. If you want to start a YouTube channel, go do that. Go do it. Like people are millionaires off of YouTube. This is a new age. We're in a digital age right now. So the thing is, like I was saying, guys, like you got to chase y'all dreams. Like we're in a digital age now. So the thing is, nothing is too far from the realm of possibility. You can do anything you want to do. Anything you see everybody out here doing, you do the exact same thing. That's how I always felt about my life. Like, I feel like anything I see somebody else do, I can do it. Like, I've met so many people. I've met people on social media. I've done that. I don't even just talk about it, like even to brag about it, but I'm just saying, like, I've done this stuff and y'all can do it too. It's just, you got to be consistent and always understand it's a marathon and not a sprint. Anything in life is always a marathon. Because some people they'll start something, they'll see like maybe a month or two, it's not moving. I used to be like that too. I mean, I'll be real, like, I used to be like that. Like I'll start something up, I'll see there's no money involved, like in the first couple months, I just stop. But you can't do that because the time you stop, you further from the goal. So you keep continuing and build up. Because I mean, sometimes it might take you, man, people get, it's not no time frame of getting rich. Like, I'm 22, I can get rich at 28. Yep. It can, like, if I put work in for 5 years, I can get rich. If I start, like you said, you real estate now, you got to get your house and stuff, you'll be set up later on.
Yeah,
that's
so
a good
the thing is you got to look at it as you're planting seeds. Yeah. So Alex Ramosi has a quote. He says, expand your time horizon. There's actually been studies done. So the longer your time horizon, the higher probability that you're going to be successful.
Yeah,
right.
That's it.
And what it is the ability to delay gratification.
Then that's the thing.
So the better that you can delay gratification, the more likely that you're going to be successful. Expand your time horizon.
Expand the time horizon.
That's key.
That is key. Yeah.